The GDP of India is expected to contract by 7.7% in fiscal 2020 to 21. The National Statistical Office said in its first advanced estimate released on Thursday. This is 20 basis points more than the 7.5% contraction projected by the Monetary Policy Committee of the Reserve Bank of India. The World Bank, in its Global Economic Prospect Report released this month, projected that India's GDP would shrink by 9.6% in the fiscal 2020 to 21. The 7.7% contraction, if it materializes, would mark India's worst economic performances since the year 1961, the earliest period for which GDP data is available on the website of the Center for Monitoring Indian Economy. However, Thursday's numbers also underline a significant economic recovery in the second half of the current fiscal year compared to the April to September period. GDP contracted by 29.3% and 7.5% in the quarters ending June and September. A breakup of GDP statistics suggests that government spending will play the biggest role in this sequential recovery in the second half of 2020 to 21. A comparison of actual GDP figures for the month of April to September period with the projected numbers for the month of October to March period suggests that the government spending will play a key role in the sequential recovery in the second half. Both PFCE and GFCF are likely to remain in contraction zone in the second half. GFCE is expected to see a huge jump from an annual contraction of 3.9% in the first half to growth of 17% in the second. On the GVA side, trade, hotels, transport, storage, and communication, as well as mining, are the only major subsectors which are likely to remain in contraction zone in the second half as well. Agriculture was the only sector to have escaped the contraction in the first half. NSO's projections are based on a lot of optimism about economic performance in the second half of the fiscal year, which might not be materialized as the demand crisis is expected to worsen. This will also have an adverse effect on revenue collections and hence government spending as well. In any case, it is common practice for GDP projections to be revised downwards even in the period before the pandemic, said Himanshu, who is an associate professor of economics at Jawaharlal Nehru University. Releasing the first advanced estimates in January is a standard practice for the NSO. While these estimates are revised even in the normal course, the NSO statement has underlined the fact that pandemic-related uncertainties make it likely that the estimates could undergo sharp revisions in due course.